Integral fixture control offers fast, step and repeat installation and maximum flexibility to adjust to layout changes without rewiring. System design is as simple as counting your fixtures. The fixtures ship with occupancy sensing, daylight harvesting, and wireless communication built in at the factory. Each fixture can be controlled independently and be grouped together regardless of high voltage wiring. Versions with the only wireless communication and no sensing are also available. Simply install or place fixtures as you normally would. No additional wiring or zoning required. Mount Pico wireless keypads in minutes without wallboxes or wires, providing local control wherever the customer needs it. If using the wireless-only version, wireless occupancy and daylight sensors can be added and mounted anywhere without PowPaks and communicate wirelessly to the integral fixture control. This solution includes a Vive wireless hub for easy programming and more advanced features such as demand response, time clock, and system integration.